Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the homepage where posts from your friends will be displayed. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will load up. Now access the hamburger menu from top right corner of your screen, access settings and select accounts from the bottom of the list. After that, scroll down again and tap on switch account type. Simply select switch to personal account from the menu and you are done. So that's basically how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.